Doesn't matter. We may not be saints, but we're loyal, and we pay our debts. Now that means something to me, and it ought to you too. Look, I'm not thrilled about this either, man, but Deacon asked us to hunt this thing down.